Namaste student, I am Yuvaraha and I am your Max mentor. Now you are all entered in grade 1. You have worked hard for this promotion and you really deserve it. I wish you all the best as you take up your new role at grade 1. Congrats my dear children. Before start the max lesson, I want to interact something to you all. Why do we have to learn this max? Because when we ever going to use this in real life, you may not know it, but math is all around you. You might not recognize it, but it is always there. We use math and see math in every day in our real life. Our max new lesson name is numbers up to 20. Numbers up to 20. So I hope all are know the numbers from 1 to 20. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Once again, shall we repeat the numbers from 1 to 20, guys? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now, look at this picture carefully. It's a classroom atmosphere. They have so many benches, chairs, dustbins, clock, wallpapers, globe, notebooks, chalk piece, everything is there. Now I am going to ask some questions from this picture. My first question is, how many students are there in the picture? How many students are there in the picture? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So how many students in this picture? Yes, 6 students in this picture. Good. And my next question is, how many dustbins? How many dustbins in this picture? Yeah, correct. Here having one dustbin. So dustbin count is 1. Good. Next question. How many boys and how many girls in this classroom? First count the girls alone. Shall we start counting? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So how many girls in this class? 3 girls in this class. Okay. Next, shall we count the boys counting in this class? One, 2, 3. There are 3 boys in the class. So in this picture, 6 students is there and 3 are boys and remaining 3 students are girls. 1 dustbin is there. And last question is, how many pieces of chalk there? Did you find the pieces of chalk in this picture? Yes. Here we find the pieces of chalk. How many pieces of chalk there? 1, 2, 3. So total 3 pieces of chalk in this picture. So from this activity we understand math, especially the numbers, is used for counting the objects. Counting the objects. We already count the number of boys and girls in this classroom by using numbers from 1 to 20. So this is the uses of maths in our real life. Shall we move the next picture, guys? The next picture is park. I hope all are playing park. Yes, this is a park. Now I am going to ask the questions from this picture. How many trees are there in the picture? Did you find the trees in this picture? Yes, it's very simple only. Shall we count the counting of trees? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So there are three trees in this picture. And the next question is, how many dogs are there in the picture? Yes, we can find the dogs in an easy way because it is standing front of us. One, two. There are 2 dogs in this picture. The next thing is butterfly. How many butterflies are there in the picture? There are 2 butterflies. Very good. There are 2 butterflies. That is 1, 2. There are 2 butterflies. So this is another one examples of counting the objects in our real life. So maths is used for counting easily in our real life. Now I am going to show the one pictures to you, and this is the assignment, that is the homework to you. That's a very simple questions only. You have to find the numbers in how many are girls in this picture and how many are boys in this picture, and the next thing, how many red color books in a lamp and how many yellow color books in a lamp. This is your today's homework. Okay guys? So again I recall what we are learned today. Our first lesson name in maths is numbers up to 20. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So math is used for counting in our real life. We can count any objects in by using a counting numbers by 1 to 20. So this is we discussed today, and I gave one homework to you. So this is your homework picture. In this picture you have to find number of boys and number of girls, number of red color books and number of yellow color books in a lamp. You have to find these questions. Find the answers for this question. Our next topic in this lesson is building the numbers 11 to 20. This is our next topic. It's very interesting and easy topic. So we will discuss this topic in a next session. Thank you guys. We will meet next session.